Beneath the surface of cold, the prison is a monument to cruelty and despair. A place where the worst of humanity is cast aside to rot in the darkness and misery.
What you just saw and heard was a preview of the immersive world of Kaona, a tabletop role-playing game developed in collaboration with the talented people at Theory Craftis Games, the Pacific Alliance Against COVID team at Waianae Community Comprehensive Health Center, and the Kamoamoa Lab at Georgia Tech. But this probably has you wondering, what exactly is Kaona? At its core, it is a culturally rich, cooperative tabletop RPG and digital storytelling application designed to foster youth well-being from a Native Hawaiian perspective. In this immersive experience, 1 to 4 players work together to restore balance to the game's 6 moku, or realms, by exploring the world, undertaking quests, and healing their corrupted rulers. By navigating and completing these quests, drawn from Hawaiian mo'olelo and narrated by all Native Hawaiians, players can restore harmony to the world, providing both a compelling narrative and a meaningful connection to Hawaiian culture. But why is any of this important? Westernization has significantly impacted Native Hawaiian culture. However, Hawaii is currently experiencing a cultural renaissance marked by advances in education, social mobility, and cultural awareness. In this context, Kaona plays a crucial role by offering a culturally enriching experience that supports youth well-being through collaboration, self-reflection, and community building, all deeply rooted in Hawaiian mo'olelo. A key component of this initiative is the Lokahi Wheel, a wellness model developed by Kamehameha Schools. This model outlines 6 essential domains of health and emphasizes that wellness is interconnected both within oneself and the broader community. These 6 domains are then core to the play experience, as they are mirrored in the 6 moku that players must explore and heal to complete their journey. Therefore, Kaona represents more than just the game. By incorporating core concepts of Hawaiian health literacy and engaging the community through co-design activities, it serves as a tool for cultural revitalization, supports youth well-being, and strengthens Native Hawaiian community ties.